This is day 1, technically. I just got here at Sarah's house. My hand's like so our things are packed. Let us show you.
Look, I did this, I did this.
That's Derica's. We both have the same thing. And this is Sarah's. You're gross. And that's Aileen's. Ugh. Oh, not even close. Nice! We got our ice caps and Sarah spelled hers.
Okay, let's get on the road, guys.
Oh god.
I'm a little too young, not enough time.
That's disgusting.
We're here, Fred Myers.
I've never been here before, I never heard of it. We went to Taco Bell, but I forgot to vlog that. But it was really good. We got Cinnamon Delights and we got Crunch Ice Supreme.
It was
right?
amazing.
Oh, so good. We're gonna cop them. Cop those shoes.
Ooh, these are some cute jorts.
Shorts. What's a jort?
Jean shorts.
Oh, I never heard that in my life.
How do you think we look? Next on shopping with the Medines.
The 4 out of 6.
I'm a little too young, but not enough time. I'm a little too young, but not enough time. I'm a little too young, but not enough time. I'm a little too young, but not enough time. I'm a little too young, but not enough time. I'm a little too young, but not enough time.
Are you kidding?
We're vlogging, you guys do. These, my goodies, my goodies. We actually lived. You're so scared. I was actually really scared. And now Nathan, being the dad he is filling up the gas. Filling up the gas.
I'm a little too young with not enough time.